Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Dollar General for this $5 challenge. There's a lot of good deals going on right now at Dollar General, but I just picked a few to put in this video. You can also use these or this scenario for a 5 off of 25 deal for this Saturday. And without further ado, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You could drop a comment about any deals that you found. And again, without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so for our first item today, we are going to grab this Air Wick Warmer priced at $1.65. I got super lucky at my store today because this was the last one, but maybe you guys can find some at your store. We are going to pair that with this coupon here for $1.50 off of any Airwix product, making that Airwix only 15 cents after this coupon. Then we are going to go ahead and grab this Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, the 42 load. It is on sale this week at Dollar General for the low price of $4.95, and then after that $2 off coupon, it would only make that Arm & Hammer $2.95. Then we're going to go ahead and grab this Playtex Sport, the 14 count. You can get whichever you like, regular, light, super. It is on sale this week for $3. We are going to go ahead and clip a $2 digital coupon that should be in your account, making that Playtex Sport just $1. And that's the $2 coupon that I was referring to. Next, we are going to go ahead and grab this Mucinex DM priced at $5.50. We have a super high value coupon that's in our digital account for $5, making that Mucinex only 50 cents after we apply that $5 coupon. These are just some other great deals that they have going at Dollar General. They just did not make my $5 challenge, but these pecan swirls are on sale for well, not on sale, but they are $1.50, and when you buy two, you get a 50 cents off store coupon, I guess, but it'll come off automatically at the register, turning that $3 into $2.50. And then for more savings on Ibotta, there is a $1 back rebate when you buy one. So since you are buying two, you will get back $2, making that only 50 cents for both of them, or 25 cents each. Another great deal is on the Centrum Complete Multivitamins. They are priced $5, and we have a high value coupon that you can go ahead and clip to your account for $4 off, making that Centrum Energy or Centrum Multivitamin only $1 after you clip this coupon to your account. It's a really good deal on vitamins. Our last deal is on this Bella dog food. If you pick up 4 of them, that will total you $3, and there is a $1.75 off coupon for when you buy 4. So it'll drop those 4 Bella dog foods down to about $1.25 for 4 of them, which is pretty good if you have a small dog. Alright you guys, so that is it for my $5 challenge today at Dollar General. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!